Guys, welcome back to your own channel. We're gonna see the major forex pair, how this week gonna work. Okay guys, you can see here guys, here consolidation happened taking support. This is the fake breakout happened, that's why it's not continuously taken support, broken down. Right now it is at a resistance. Okay guys, you have to see guys, if it has been broken then you can go for your first target guys. This will be your second target, third target, fourth and fifth target. You have to see that this has to be broken guys, then only go for upside these momentum two targets. Okay guys, until these are the your first three targets. Okay guys, we can see for downside also guys. You can see here guys, if it will continuously here taken resistance or taken resistance coming downside, you can go for your short position, keep SL at this position guys at 1.05375, and you can go for short. Your first target will be here, second target will be here guys. Okay, it's third target, and just a second guys, third target, this will be the your fourth target, fifth target. Okay guys, these are the target for euro versus USD dollar.
So we're gonna see the next major forex pair is GBP versus US dollar guys. Okay guys, we have also got the very nice trade in these two guys. Also you can see here guys, this will be acting as one of the major supporting areas guys right now. So we have to see that guys, this will be the one of the major supporting area it will act. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that if it will continuously sustain guys, okay, otherwise it will take support, then we can expect our first target guys somewhere here, our second target will be here, and our third target will be here guys. Okay guys, you have to see that consciously guys, because of here is the one of the major resistance area, because of this is the fake break has been happened in upside momentum, it came once again downside, so it continuously hope that 2 to 3 times take a resistance then break, then you can see the one-sided momentum, hope this also will be break and goes upside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for downside too guys, if this will be broken, you can expect that this will be broken, then you can have to see that this is the low. Okay guys, this will be broken, then you can expect your at least first target, this will be the second target. Okay guys, here is the bar or dominance, because you can see here how nicely wick has been made. So you have to book your 70 to 80% here only. After that you can go for third, fourth. These are the four target. Also I will update in a Telegram channel too guys, go and check out there too guys. I will update there for you. So some nicest trade also I am seeing, so I will definitely gonna tell you guys, so please go and join that. I will give link in the description too guys. Okay guys, this is the euro versus GBP major forex pair is that. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance area. I will just shift it down, you can see that exactly taking a support right now. So if it will taking exactly support. Okay guys, right now if it goes, our first target will be here, our second target, because here our seller are so much dominant, so up till here only. After this is crossed, then you can expect up till here third target, and this will be the your fourth target guys. Okay guys, these are the four target in upside momentum. If it continuously consolidate, broken, came downside, taking resistance, your SL will be at this place, this high, and you can go for your first target. This will be your second target, third target, fourth target, fifth and sixth. These are the 6 targets. Okay guys, you have to see the consciously guys, this will hope goes upside, but here seller are so much dominated, so please go and see that if continuously here consolidation happened then break, then you can go for once again upside momentum. Okay guys, these are the euro versus GBP analysis. So we can see the